Hello and welcome to Kapil Joshi Tutorials, and I am thrilled to have you join us again. Just consider subscribing to our channel for informative and engaging content on Python. So be sure to hit that notification bell to stay updated. So today we are going to start Python data type conversion. I'm excited to share my knowledge with you, and I hope you will learn something new and valuable things. So let's get started. If you have any question or comments, please leave them in section below. We'd love to hear from you. So what is data type conversion? Data type conversion is the process of changing the data type of a variable, expression, or value from one type to another. This is often necessary when working with different data types in a programming language. So now we are talking about classification of data type conversion. So there are two main types of data type conversion. First is implicit conversion and second one is explicit conversion. So if we are talking about again the actual difference between these two, then implicit conversion, it's all about the types of conversion occurs automatically when a value of one data type is assigned to a variable of another data type. For example, when a integer value is assigned to a floating point variable, the integer value is automatically converted to a floating point value. And explicit conversion, that is the conversion occurs when a programmer explicitly converts a value from one data type to another using a casting operator, or it can be a conversion function. For example, when a floating point value is converted to an integer value using a casting operator. Now we are talking about the actual conversion and explanation of data type conversion with function and its description. So we are taking one by one all the functions like int x base. It converts x to an integer, that is base specifies the base if x is a string, as well as long x base that it converts x to a long integer, base specify the base if x is a string. And third one is floating x, that is it converts x to a floating point number, just converting all the numbers. A complex real, imagine like it creates a complex number. str, let me complete this point straight. str x, it converts object x to a string representation. repr, that is it converts object x to an expression string. Now we're just converting all the data type conversion function and the description like tuples, list, set, dict. It creates a dictionary, that it means D must be a sequence of key value tuples. Frozen set, it means it converts S to a frozen set, as well as character, unicharacter, that conversion all the integer value to a Unicode character. Apart from this, now we are talking about the hexadecimal octal, like it converts an integer to a hexadecimal string, as well as it converts an integer to a octal string. So I hope you like this video, like data type conversion, importance of data type conversion, even explanation or classification of data type conversion. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share too. So thanks for watching this video.